In the medical perspective, one of the most common diseases found in humans and other living organisms is a parasitic disease. Parasites usually live in the area where the nutrition can be obtained, such as intestines and livers. The organs can be damaged once the population of parasites increases, which this scenario can be occurred by laying egg of parasites. There are two ways in order to identify for the parasite's eggs, which are concentration technique and simple smear. The first method requires the medical profession to operate with the microscope, and the second method is to use the special microscope to detect the parasites, which any person can operate. Since this disease usually spread in the rural area where they have no medical profession or financial support, we had constructed the low-cost parasitic worm egg detection using auto-staging USB microscope to help rural areas to solve this problem. There are two sections to construct a microscope set, which is the detection section and auto-staging section. The first section will use deep learning to detect the parasitic egg. In detail, we have implemented the algorithm based on single-shot multi-box detector and using TensorRT to optimize the interference process for computation reduction when deploying in Jetson Nano microprocessor. The second task will construct the hardware and usage system by implementing the autofocusing system and user interface in order to comfort user, which most of the user will be medical profession. Okay, so to construct the microscope set, there are about 6 main parts in the component. So for the first one is the USB microscope camera, and then the second one is the stage segment, and then the light source, then the printer board to control the stage access, and Jetson Nano board, which is a microprocessor, and then monitor. Okay, then we will show some function that we have implemented. So for the first one is the autofocusing system. So here's the feature where we have implemented to control the stage movement. As you can see here, there's a T-near egg first, parasitic egg, that we have it detected. Another feature is the auto scanning, which the stage will move automatically in order to find the parasitic egg. Here's the example result of the process.